Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for your agency. Find out which marketing campaigns make your phone ring. If your business relies on quality customer conversations, you need CallRail. Match inbound calls, text, forms, and live chats to your marketing campaigns to finally learn what's working and what's not. Smarter marketing for agencies and your clients. CallRail offers complete visibility into your digital marketing efforts. Our analytics platform can help you boost client success while sustaining growth. Track, analyze, improve, convert. Learn from your leads. There's a lot you can learn from your team's calls. But for people, scanning call recordings and transcriptions is time-consuming, mind-numbing work. For robots, it's a breeze. They work fast. They don't miss details. Humans are only human. And what's more, AI-powered conversation intelligence doesn't analyze one call at a time. It analyzes all your calls all the time. That's how it surfaces big picture, actionable insights you can use to improve service, train staff, and save marketing dollars. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.